is powered by Kaizink, and today I'm going to show you how to empty the waste tank on the Epson shirt color S7170. So in here you're going to click the maintenance menu button, which is the one with the wrench. You're going to scroll down until you see replace waste ink bottle. And there's a how-to here that you can click through if you're unsure of all of those steps, if you want to click refresher as you're going through it. So we're going to come down here to the waste ink bottle. We're going to lift it up to get it up over this edge, and then take it down. We've got our cat litter here, which is in a trash bag and then in the tub. Once this gets full, we'll take the bag out so that it's easier and cleaner to throw it away and put a new bag in with more cat litter. I'm just going to pour this in here. We're going to put it here, put the tube inside of it, push it up, and set it back down. We're going to come back to the screen here. We're going to hit OK. And then we're going to reset the counter, so we're going to hit yes. And so now it knows it's empty, so it'll notify us when it's ready to do it next time. Thank you.